Welcome to the JJs Declutter Podcast, where we tackle the mess and stress to make space for what truly matters. I'm Janis, here with Julie, and together we're sharing our best tips, tricks, and a little humor to help you declutter your home, mind, and life. Whether it's procrastination or piles of stuff, we're here to help you make real progress. Let's dive in.
Welcome, clutter conquerors, to the JJs Declutter Podcast,
where we turn messes into magic and panic piles into peaceful pantries.
Today, we're spinning chaos into clarity with the golden guy himself,
Rumpelstiltskin, the mysterious man with the magical touch and a serious stash problem.
Honestly, if the dude had labeled bins, half of this fairy tale wouldn't even exist.
And if the miller hadn't exaggerated because dad's gonna dad, we'd all be talking about something else.
So here we go. Chapter 1, The Miller's Daughter and the Room of Doom. Picture it. A musty, cluttered chamber full of straw. Not even an IKEA shelf in sight.
The royal equivalent of a doom box, dumped out of meaning and stuffed under a chandelier.
That poor miller's daughter is just standing there like, where's my label maker?
Or at least a hay sorting chart. Decluttering tip. When overwhelmed by clutter, don't just stare at the straw. Pick one category: straw, shoes, takeout menus from 2019, and focus there.
Bonus, break down your chaos into micro piles. Golden if it brings you joy, dust bunny if it doesn't.
And if it's just emotional hay, time to compost that guilt.
Chapter 2, Rumpelstiltskin, the deal maker. So enter Rumpelstiltskin, sparkly shoes, jazz hands energy, and chaos vibes.
And he's got the voice of someone who drinks 3 espressos before sunrise.
He offers to spin the straw into gold for a price.
First, it's her necklace. Then her ring. Next thing you know, baby talk.
Let's be honest, Rumpel is basically the Facebook Marketplace fairy.
Barters everything but won't accept Venmo. So here's a decluttering tip. Don't barter peace of mind for panic cleaning. Have a plan before you start. What to keep, what to toss, and what's just a panic purchase from 2 a.m. TikTok scrolling.
Chapter 3, we are spinning straw into golden zones. The real twist here is that Rumpel's got systems. He's got stations.
He's basically the Marie Kondo of the magical underground.
One pile for straw, one for spindles, one neat stack of gold bars.
No crossover, no chaos. Even glitter was quarantined. So here's an organizing tip. Use zones. Have a keep zone, a toss zone, a donate zone, a maybe or unsure zone. And yes, include a snack zone because we're not animals.
Or trolls. Here's a cleaning tip. Treat clear surfaces like thrones. Respect them. Don't stack 17 coupon clippings and 6 mugs on your countertops.
Chapter 4, the Palace Panic Room. So let's fast forward. She marries the king, becomes the queen, and now she's got stuff for days.
She has gifts from diplomats, gadgets she just doesn't use, goblets on goblets.
Her walk-in closet becomes a shove-in situation.
On the crown rack, it collapsed under the weight of 5 tiaras and 3 emergency scepters.
So Here's a decluttering tip strategy. One in, one out. If you bring in a gold embroidered snuggie, maybe the rhinestone bathrobe needs to go.
Okay, wait. Do one in, two out. Let's downsize our belongings. More needs to leave than is coming in. Or or at least it can go on royal rotation.
So Sunday, snuggie. Tuesday, tool. Organize your opulence, people.
Chapter 5. Name that clutter. So then Rumpelstiltskin comes back, demanding the baby, unless she guesses his name.
And here's where we lean in. Naming is powerful.
Name your clutter. That scarf you never wear, the itchy regret.
That treadmill covered in laundry, Mount Washmore.
That one drawer, the Bermuda junk angle. Here's a decluttering tip. Giving items names helps detach emotionally. Plus, it's fun.
Say it out loud, laugh, and then let it go.
Rumple had a ridiculous name, and it gave the queen back her power.
So name that clutter and take yours back too.
Chapter 6, Declutter Spells and Golden Habits. So let's talk habits, not hocus pocus. Because even if Thumbelina can declutter her mushroom loft,
We big people still pile stuff on dining chairs, counters, and the floor next to the hamper.
magic won't help if you don't build the habits. So try our royal reset.
So 12 minutes a day or hashtag decluttering dozen. Pick one surface and declutter like a boss.
Or the crown clean every Sunday, tidy one royal zone, the bathroom, the pantry, or the kingdom of car crumbs. Here's a cleaning tip. Don't wait for magical fairies. You are the decluttering wizard. Your wand is your duster, your cloak, an old hoodie. So let's talk about Rumpel's secret storage room. So, Janis, did you hear about the royal audit?
Oh, yes. Turns out Rumpelstiltskin wasn't just spinning gold, he was hoarding it.
His secret storage chamber was discovered behind a rotating wall of novelty spoons.
A literal cave of chaos. We're talking gold bars, glitter glue, 200 ceramic gnomes, and 14 mismatched thrones.
Goodness. The poor guy didn't need a magic name. He needed shelving. So here's another decluttering tip. If you're holding on to valuable items but can't find or access them, they're not treasure, they're stress. Store your keepsakes in a visible, accessible way or let them go.
Yeah. If you can't find it, you can't use it. And if you can't enjoy it, then what's the point in keeping it? And also, if you forgot you had it, it's probably not that precious.
Unless it's a hidden chocolate stash. I mean, that's strategic concealment.
Or emergency frosting. We don't judge.
So let's do a little game show. This is called Guess That Clutter. It's time for our favorite mini game. Yes, that clutter.
We describe a mystery item, and you, yes, you, listening in your bathrobe, guess what it is.
Okay. Item number 1. It's in your closet. You bought it for a theme party you never went to. It's itchy, sparkly, and 2 sizes too small.
Is it A, a disco themed regret, B, the sequence of shame, or C, your alter ego?
If you guessed A or B, the disco-themed regret and the sequin of shame, you win the right to donate it immediately.
Item 2, it's in your kitchen drawer. It was part of a gadget set you saw on a late night TV show. You've never used it, but you tell yourself, someday.
Hint, it looks like it could julienne a potato or break a toe. So here's a decluttering challenge. Pick one mystery item in your home today and play Guess That Clutter. If it makes you laugh or wince, it might be time to say goodbye.
Remember, if Rumple could disappear by name, you can make junk vanish with intention.
So here's a few final thoughts and an assignment. This week, we want you to play Name That Clutter.
Pick 5 items, give them funny names, be honest, but be sassy.
Then let 3 of them go. Make space for joy, not just straw.
Share your best ones in our community group.
I want to see someone let go of the sweater of social anxiety.
Or the yoga mat of broken promises?
Name it, claim it, and clear it. Until next time,
Keep it simple.
keep it intentional.
And as always,
Keep decluttering. Woot! Stop recording. Thanks for joining us on the JJs Declutter Podcast. If you're ready to keep simplifying, follow us for more tips and join our Facebook community to share your wins and challenges. Subscribe here because it's always more fun to declutter with friends. And thanks in advance for leaving us a review.